So here's our first example. Now this is an example of a simple wireframe for a fictional website. Now as I said as part of the assignment, this is a website that doesn't yet exist. So it's one in your mind. If you have any thoughts about a website that you want to create, whether it's about your favorite place to get a hamburger or perhaps you want to start a social marketing blog, this is a first step. So as I'll talk about in a moment, what I created was a website to share photos and videos and stories about my kids. So simple wireframe, the keyword is simple. All you want to do here is show the basic chunks of content in some ways, and the major components. So this is where my masthead logo would be. Feature content, photo, video, a pull quote of the day, and the footer. Now you'll see I have the number 5 here to represent the gray section, and as we'll see on the next page, that's because I envision that there will be a background image on this site. Now as you can see, I labeled each of the 6 components 1 through 6, and now we'll go and show why that is. This is the second page. So in many ways, if you want to ask me very specifically what is the outcome of this assignment, it should be a 2-page document. The first page should be your simple wireframe, and the second page should be your explanation. Now what's here on the left is an explanation of the website. As you'll read, part of the assignment is to describe in 150 words or less what this website is about. These then are the descriptions for each of the 6 components. I called out 5 before, so I'll talk about that now. Here we see an explanation, section 5. And this talks about how the background of the site will actually be an image that will change weekly. Now the reason why I called out the background is because in this concept, the background is part of the content. So number 5 is certainly part that I want to represent on a simple wireframe. So again, we'll go back to page 1 so you can see the expectation I have for the first assignment, the simple wireframe, and then a second page for descriptions. Now don't feel as though you have to jam your descriptions in one page. If you feel you need an additional page or so to include this information, please do.